In the previous case study, we discussed about myths in the society. In this class, we are going to discuss about the myths in textile processing units. That is, textile processing related. What are the myths prevailing in the society among the customers, and how we can go for the truth. Okay, that we will be discussing. The first myth is, we know that nowadays textiles are being recycled. Okay. So here we have all textiles can be easily recycled. That is one of the myths. Okay. What are the textile materials we have? What are the types of textile materials we have? Natural textile materials, natural textile materials and synthetic textile materials. So coming for natural, what are the natural textile materials? We have already studied. What are the natural textile materials? Cotton, wool, flax, hemp, and the jute. Yes. So they are from natural origin. Most of them are plant, few are from animals. Okay. And any synthetic textile material you have studied? Is polyester a natural material? No, it's a synthetic. Similarly, nylon, acrylic. So they are all synthetic materials. So we have natural and synthetic. So when we go for a textile material, sometimes we will go for blends. Wool is blended with cotton. Polyester is blended with cotton. In order to have good end-use properties. After that, if you want to recycle that particular material, you have to separate cotton, polyester, cotton, wool. Then only you can go for recycling. So the separation process is very tough. You cannot simply blindly tell that all textile can be easily recycled, because the separation is tough, and then you have to process it, and then you have to make it into a new product. Okay, so it is not very easy to recycle all textile materials. Second one is, cotton is a sustainable fabric. What do you mean by the word sustainable? Sustainable means it will last long. Sometimes the present generation also enjoys, and we also save it for the coming generation. That is called as a sustainable method. Okay, so for example, we use electricity and we save some amount of production of electricity to our coming generation also. Normally, எல்லா கோலையும் யூஸ் பண்ணி முடிச்சிட்டோம்னா it is not sustainable. Electricity என்ன இருக்காது? From coal, there are many methods. Primary method is coal. So, if we are using all coal for the generation of electricity, it is not sustainable. Otherwise, we are going for solar energy. It's a sustainable practice, because we always get solar energy. It is not going to get over. என்னைக்காவது சூரியன் வந்து இல்லாம ஆயிடுமா? Until mankind is there, Surya is going to be there. Sun is going to be there. So it is a sustainable practice. So cotton is a sustainable fabric. We all have good reverence for cotton, because we have studied cotton is the king of textiles. Okay, எல்லாருமே நல்ல ஒரு மரியாதை இருக்கு cotton. Okay, but it is not a sustainable fabric, because cotton is the money material. That is the plant. Cotton plant requires large amount of water for its growth. So it is not sustainable. It causes huge amount of water for its growth, and also huge amount of processing for every level. Again, it needs require lot of water. 70% of water which is being used in different industries is used only for textile industry. That too for cotton. So in that sense, cotton is not a sustainable fabric. This one is organic. So this recycled yarn is always no but it's a myth. Recycled yarns can be processed in such a way that you can reach premier quality. Supreme quality yarn can also be obtained from what is recycled yarn. Nowadays, you know, you take water from drainage, add a chemical, it becomes clear water. Many of the industries which provide bottled waters make use of this technique. Will you easily go for bottled water? Always carry water from your water bottle from your home. Don't easily go for water bottles from such units. Okay, so they make their process easy. That's it. Okay, so similarly, recycled yarn is always thought of low quality. Next with this, garment sustainability is based on country of origin. We very time we look for labels like that. Right? What are the quality parameters you will look into any product when you go to buy some product? For example, a shirt. What are the quality parameters you will look for? Then another copy. Size. Okay. Brand. You will look for brand. And then H&M. For its recycling, it takes many months. So recycling is not a very easy process. Similarly, for sustainability, that is for country of origin also, we will look for from which country it is manufactured. Maybe a type underdeveloped countries process it, labeled by a developed country and is sold to your as customer. So you cannot always depend on or rely on the country of origin. Okay, so you can directly go for the quality. And last one is natural fibers are always better for environment. You take hemp. Hemp again requires huge amount of water for processing. Even though hemp is a natural fiber, it requires huge amount of water and chemicals for its processing stages. So you cannot always say natural fibers are always better for environment. They may be better in terms of disposal, in terms of usage, etc. But it cannot be an all-rounder. Okay, so there are certain myths prevailing in the textile processing industry too. We should be aware of such myths. We should not get addicted to such myths.